Hey, welcome to this video. In this video, quickly I want to show you my yesterday's and today's income. That's $1,050. Okay, so let me first show you today's date and time. Today's date and time. My internet is little low today, so just bear with me. So if you look at, it's Sunday 2nd September, right? 2nd September 2018, and it's 9:14 p.m. right now. This is a live thing. Now if you look at today, it's still not over, right? Still have 3 hours. I may get few more sales, but I'll show you today and yesterday's sales. Now this is the email that I get from the company, and since it's a video I can show you. This is, again, if you look at September 1st 2018, right? It's 2 p.m. yesterday, and I got $25 sales for one of this Mr. Prasad Suchar, and I got the payment, so $25. And again I got the same day another sale. It came at 5:10 p.m. right? And again if you look at the date, September 1st, Saturday, right? So this is again $25. This is for some Zia oil, right? So this is their username. Now this is a $50, and let me show you one more today, this one, right? Now here if you look at this, today I just got this like 20 minutes back, and if you look this September 2nd 8:55 p.m. right? So I got $1,000 from this username. So this is a username that they have to use to sign up our business. So they send with username and the amount received. So I made $1,050 in just 2 days. Let me see how much it comes to Indian rupees. Yeah, can you see that? In just 2 days, second day is still not complete, right? I have 3 more hours to go. I've already made almost 74,500. I mean almost 75,000 Indian rupees. So this is, my dear friend, some people take, I mean, months to earn. Some people earn in a month, but by the grace of God and the system that I'm in, I could earn in just 2 days, right? So just imagine the kind of amount you can make. But let me tell you the income disclaimer. It's not that it's typical. Your results may vary. It depends on your efforts, your investments, your learning, and your implementation. You have to learn, you have to implement, and you have to take consistently action till you get the results. It's not that you get the results overnight. It's not a get rich quick scheme. So if you invest money in our training programs, and if you take the franchisee of ours, and if you promote that franchisee to other people, you can earn this kind of amount. Now this person bought $1,100 program. Company took $100 and they paid me $1,000, which is 90% commissions, my dear friend. Nobody gives you 90,000. Mistake, I said 90,000. It's 90%. So actually how this system works is, we have some training programs, okay, which is $25, $100, $250, $500, and $1,000. That is the training program cost. Along with that, company takes 10% processing fees. So if you want to join $100, then you have to pay $10 extra. If you want to join $250, then you have to pay $25 extra. And if you want to join $550, you have to pay, I mean $500, then you have to pay $50 extra. So total will be $550. And another one is $1,000 plus $100, which is $1,100. So I personally recommend $550 and $1,100 because we want to have financial freedom, right? With $25, $100, $250, you cannot have a financial freedom. So that's a reason we recommend, because we have to put that same the same amount of time, efforts, everything to get either a $25 sale, $25 sale, or $1,000 sale. So why not $1,000, right? So that is a one thing. Now this is a franchisee model where you get the training. You're paying for the training, not to get rich quick scheme or to make money, okay? So along with the training program, they are giving you a resale rights or a franchisee rights to sell the same training programs to other people. Like whoever wants to learn how to start online business and make money online, you have to recommend these training programs. When they buy these training programs, you get to keep 100% of the product price. Like this training which you all can see on the screen, this is a $1,000 program, right? So I got the $1,000, that is 100% of the product price, and company took $100 from the customer, not from me. From this customer they took another $100, so customer had to pay $1,100. So that's way, even if you look at the overall, it's like you're making 90% out of $1,100. Now your one thing I want to highlight is this is not multi-level marketing. This is not chain system. Okay, chain system means you bring one person, he brings another person, and then you make money from everyone that joins. So this is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means recommending or selling other people's product and services. Like we all go to the restaurants, right? If I like a restaurant, I tell people, okay, this restaurant is good. Now we watch movie. Like yesterday I went for this movie, what was the name, what's the movie? Stree, yeah. I'm sorry, I was asking my wife. So it's a Stree, horror comedy movie. I went that, and you won't believe it, I posted on all the social media. I told everyone this movie is awesome, you must watch. Now I did recommend that movie, right? But that movie people or the producer was not going to give me any compensation, is not going to give me any commission from promoting his movie. Now in this company, I've taken this training and I know these trainings are very good. I'm recommending you and other people to buy this training. So what happens, that company is giving me that product price, that complete training program cost back to me because I gave them a customer, right? So this is how it's called recommendation program. You watch movie, you recommend it, but they never, you never get to pay, right? The movie people don't pay you. You recommend a restaurant in your life, they don't pay you. Here, if you recommend these training programs to other people, if they buy, you get to keep the 100% of the product price, and company will charge 10% extra from the customer, right? So that is the whole concept. Here you need to learn how to generate leads, how to reach out to people on the internet. So we will give you required training and everything. So you have to all do is invest $550 overall or $1,100. Choose any one of these two packages and go through the training that we give you, and you are done. Once you learn, just implement that continuously, because you're not going to get the results overnight. You have to be consistent, take actions consistently till you get the results. Never give up, that is the key. Don't give up. Take my support, take the company support, all the trainings that we provide, and keep implementing. If you keep implementing, trust me, you're going to get the results. Everybody wants to make money. If you ask 10 people, do you want to make money, all 10 will say yes, or at least 9%, 90% of them will say yes, right? So that is what we are going to teach them, how to make money online. And also along with that, if they recommend these training programs to other, they are going to get paid. So that's the whole concept, my dear friends. If you want to make this kind of income, I'm really recommend you join this program with me. I have 18 years of digital marketing experience. I have helped thousands of people to grow their life, have financial freedom, time freedom, location freedom in their life. So there are some small risks there in the business. So if you can take the risk, and if you can commit to yourself, then join. If you cannot take the risk, this is not for you. If you keep doubting, you will never succeed in your life. So come out of your comfort zone, just join, take the action today. As I said, once again, before I close, I made $1,050 in just 2 days, and that's around 75,000 rupees, Indian rupees. And as you know, in India, it's a huge amount, right? You get to pay, even if you work for a whole month, some high level executives will get this much of salaries, and this is complete pure profit. Plus, if you are small, like if you are earning for 15-20,000, it may take 3-4 months or 6 months to earn this kind of income. So join, just put 2 to 3 hours every day, and you can earn this much amount of money. So that's it for this video. Bye bye, see you, thank you for watching, love you all, bye bye.